That's why I was born and raised in.
Each winter, as temperatures begin to drop, birds all over North America follow their instinct and prepare for a long journey south to warmer climates.
This is your captain speaking. We'd like to thank you all for flying with us today. Winds this morning out of the south by southwest and clear skies ahead of us. Beautiful day for flying. So I'm now just getting word from my brain that we are first for takeoff. If everyone's ready, let's get going. Alright folks, we have reached our cruising altitude of sky, and we are pointed towards the warmth orb, and it's trying to escape us, but we will catch it. Now, if you'll direct your attention to the flight attendant, she has some very important safety procedures to review with you.
Good afternoon. Thank you for flying near us today. Please maintain a strict V formation in the sky. As humans, we'll be freaked out if they see a Q. Restrooms are located to your immediate everywhere. Please avoid any and all giant metal non-speaking birds. They do not know our ways. In the event of a change in air pressure throughout the flight, please make sure to affix your own oxygen mask before attempting to help others around you, including the elderly or eggs. Feel free to ask me for assistance should you need it at any point during the flight.
This is your captain again. It appears that we have some strong winds ahead of us, so be prepared for some turbulence. Good afternoon, folks. Looks like I'm your captain now. We're still headed southwest, moving at speed of... Oh, sorry about that, folks. Nope, it's still me. All right. Whoa, hey! I'm a big fancy captain now. Oh, who am I kidding? I don't know how to lead. I'm gonna crash. Oh, thank God, more wind. Oh. This is your captain again. Sorry about that, folks. Looks like we have everything under control. Now we invite you all to sit back, relax, and enjoy our in-flight movie, Alfred Hitchcock's The Us.
It's cute. Honey, I think I'm actually going to take a nap. All right, here. Oh! Oh, God! Come on! Come on! Come on! Woo! Woo! Never again.
Care for a snack, sir?
No.
Snack?
Well, yes, please.
Captain?
Nancy?
Snack?
Oh, yes, please.
Snack, sir?
I'm sorry. Were there nuts in that snack?
Yes, I did eat nuts yesterday, yes.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Oh my God. Oh my God, he's choking. Help! Help! Is there a bird doctor on board?
Yes, I'm a bird doctor.
Thank God.
Son, I'm going to do bird CPR on you. He's not responding to the bird CPR! We need to land! Oh, well, we're not scheduled for a layover until we reach that pond we all love. Then we like to rest now. Damn it, bird, we need to land now! Oh, he's a dead man. I'm taking over. We're going down. What? Squawk! 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 Oh, squawk! Squawk! squawk, squawk.
Weird.